Continuing with our review of the GD&T Form Controls, Part 2 will introduce circularity and cylindricity form controls in the ASME Y14.5 standard. A circularity tolerance zone can be visualized as two concentric circles that are spaced apart by a distance specified in the feature control frame. It is important to note that the circularity tolerance zone is two-dimensional. This means measurements are taken at one sectional element, not along the entire surface at once. Circularity only applies to surfaces, not features of size. Circularity controls are often used for parts that are cylindrical, conical, and spherical. Our last form control is cylindricity. This control is very similar to circularity, except the tolerance zone is three-dimensional instead of two-dimensional. If you remember that the circularity tolerance zone is two concentric circles, we can visualize the cylindricity tolerance zone as two coaxial cylinders. All points along the surface of the part must lie within the tolerance zone.